of seeing a breathing circuit, stone and stem refusing rules, architect lines, man-made systems split by sprouts and wandering forms, borders soft and tilt, then open, control slides into change. Pencil, ink and painted layers, a script that shifts then slips away. Nature steps in, not as backdrop but present, moving from within. Let the world go unexplained, listen to what starts to grow. No purpose, no function, only a deep-born resonance. When we loosen every name, the field begins to rearrange. What is solid starts to weave, and sense becomes the tongue. Geometry turning into fabric, structure opening into pores. The sensuous enters the system, breath inside the grid. This is an illustration, it's the rewrite of the real. Figure ground, trading faces, new forms budding in the seam, where intention meets unmaking. I lean into the green. Let the world go unexplained, listen to what starts to grow. No purpose, no function, only a deep-born resonance. When we loosen every name, the field begins to rearrange. What is solid starts to weave, and sense becomes the tongue. In a gestaltoid hush, the edges learn to breathe. The language tries to hold it, it slips, and that is grace. I won't force an answer, I'll follow what appears. A living figure, ever shifting, rewriting how I see. Open, unpredictable, outside the frames we learned. Nature isn't what we're taught, it's what returns when we unlearn.